Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here. First of all, members, I have a pretty long strategy session for you tonight, and I'm just telling you some things that I think are really important to help you make the right decisions in this market. And we're going to talk about the composite man and various other things that'll really help you get a handle on the market. If you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, frankly, this is a pretty good time to start, because this is a critical time in the market, and that's what I'm here for, to help you out. I've been doing this for well over 20 years. So anyway, let me get to our free chart of the day. A lot of stuff that's sold off, a lot, and Salesforce is one of them. It lost about a third of its market cap in about a month. That's quite a bit, and I think that at this point, this is a buy the dip thing. Stock had a nice reversal today. First time in a while where the intraday low was higher than the prior day's intraday low, and the intraday high was higher than the prior day's intraday high. So we're getting buying here today where we had selling before. Now, all I'm looking at right now for you, because we don't know what tomorrow or the next day will bring, but all I'm looking for is a little move up here, maybe $15, maybe 10% to the upside. I'm not saying this stock is going to run up to all-time highs. I absolutely promise that it will run up to all-time highs. I just don't know when. Okay, but the way this rubber band has been just really stretched, and now it's snapping back the other way, I think you got at least 145, maybe another $10, possibly 150 if the market cooperates. But I think this is what you want to be looking for in this market. If you are actively trading, you want to be looking for these stocks that have deeply, deeply oversold and then are now snapping back. That's a better thing than looking for stocks that are breaking out, because so many stocks that break out these days, maybe it's on earnings or something, they're sold into because traders are still trying to raise cash. And so we're not really looking at the ones where we think the stock's going to break out. What we're looking at are the ones where it looks like the stock has just sold off so much that the real exchange going on is money for stock. That's the aggressive part, as opposed to stock for money, where people just want to get out of the stock. So anyway, that's what I would look for on Salesforce, and maybe put a stop that's maybe 129-ish or so, just a little under 130, give the stock a little bit of room to move. But that's really, this is a trade that I think could work for you, a very quick swing trade. You'd be out of it by the end of the week. Okay, that's it. See you guys tomorrow.